1995 Z71 off-road package. He's gonna lift it. He's gonna do a lot. He's gonna redo the whole truck. This is his baby. So what we got done on it, factory converter, factory pipe. Then he wanted a MAGNAPACK setup, so we put him a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK right there. 3-inch tailpipe, massive out the back, custom bent into a dual tip, 4-inch. Right there. There'll be a link in the description for it also. Came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. And like always, guys, there's the old muffler. Had an old set of duals from back in the day. It all rotted out. It's about 7 years old. That's when Flowmaster was good and nice before it was sent to China. Anyways, now it's built in China, not in California anymore. There's the part number on the MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK 10416. There will be a link in the description, and support MAGNAFLOW because they're made in the USA. Marker! And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Ooh! That's fancy. Juandissimo, what do you think? Oh, he gives it a thumbs up! He approves! Nice thing about MAGNAFLOW, it's quiet at idle. See? When it idles, it's quiet. Give it gas. You give it up, it fires up. Here's sound decibels again. That's funny, my voice is louder than the exhaust. When I talk, it's 102. Go ahead and back it out. Really nice. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Let's do this. So it's got MAGNAPACK, 3-inch pipe, dual tip, 95 Z71. Oh yeah, beast mode. Enjoy, guys. That sounds so good.